Hi, and welcome to A&P1 Online Lab. I'll be your instructor. I'm Dr. Monahan, and I'm going to help you make it through this semester of taking a pretty challenging course and doing it all online. So I have a few tips that I want to share with you right off the bat to help you find success in this course. So number one, make sure you read the syllabus. And I recommend you scroll all the way to the bottom because there's stuff at the very last part of the syllabus that might be important to you. You want to make sure that you understand a few key policies and procedures that might impact you. So make sure you review the grade policy and understand how your grade is calculated. Also, check for late work, makeup work, and extensions, and make sure you understand those policies and how they might impact you and your grade. And then also, if you plan on being out of the country at all, in fact, off of mainland USA, so like Puerto Rico, for example, not out of the country, but it does change how you access Pioneer Portal, so make sure you review that policy as well. You always want to go through your syllabus for every course. It's a bit like a contract between you and your professor, and for every course, it's a little bit different. So that's number one. Number two, super important, find the SOA in Canvas, save a copy to your computer. I recommend creating a folder, maybe called A&P1 Lab, and save everything there, but also print out a copy of it and put it someplace that you can check, honestly, pretty much every day, because you do not want to miss any due dates. We don't accept assignments late for credit. We don't reopen visible body assignments or anything like that. So it's super important that you get those assignments completed and submitted on time. And in general, our due dates are Fridays at 5 p.m. Now, to help you with that, I send out an email every week. So my third tip is make sure you read my weekly email. I usually send it Thursday night or Friday morning, and I just remind you about upcoming deadlines, and I usually give you a list of everything that you need to have completed by Friday afternoon. So that's just a good way to double check that you haven't missed anything, because you have the SOA, you have Canvas, but it's a lot of pieces and things are in, different places. So I like to send you that one list that you can just kind of check off and be like, I did that, all right? Number four, and my last tip for this video, is you need to study like your grade depends on it, because it does, all right? So here's the thing about A&P1 Lab. Your practical exams will assess your proficiency or mastery. That is how we determine if you've met the course learning outcomes and should earn credit for the course. So you have to demonstrate your proficiency or mastery on those practical exams. There are 4 of them. They are typically 50 questions each, and they are all short answer typically. So it's important that for all of the content in your lab manual and within the exercises in Canvas, that you know the content well enough that you are able to come up with the answer and type it in correctly, including spelling. Because in anatomy, spelling is absolutely critical to accuracy and understanding. And for anyone interested in a healthcare field, spelling super matters for safety and positive patient outcomes. So we are going to hold you accountable for that. So you are going to have to study a lot for this course, a minimum of 3 hours a week. I recommend flashcards. I recommend a study buddy. The more you write, the more you will remember. So find strategies like that to help you study. And I will send out additional study recommendations and ideas in my weekly emails, and also I sneak them into our Canvas shell as well. So here is to a great semester. Work hard, play hard. I'm looking forward to lots of fabulous grades. And remember, when the going gets tough, the tough keep going. So no giving up. We got this. Contact me if you're super struggling or have questions. I've got office hours. We can meet and we will do this together. All right. Take care, guys.